Identifying and registering animals is an important part of our daily work. Therefore, it's important that scanning and processing data can be carried out quickly and reliably. The Gallagher HR0 EID ear tag reader has been designed for this purpose. With no unnecessary features, it offers a fast and reliable way to scan ear tags and process them instantly. This makes electric animal registration easier and more affordable than ever. Point the scanner at the ear tag and press the button. Thanks to the scanning range of roughly around 35 centimeters, you don't have to get right up close to the animal. This number is read in a matter of seconds. You will receive immediate confirmation via a beep, a vibration and a light. That way you can ensure that you've scanned successfully. If you're working with large numbers of animals, use continuous scan modus. This allows you to scan several animals in one single movement. The scan data is not stored in the device itself, but it's sent directly via Bluetooth, for example, to your smartphone, tablet, laptop or weigh scale. In HID mode, the reader functions as a keyboard. When you scan an ear tag, the EID number appears immediately in the selected field, for example in Excel or web form. You can also use the HR0 with the free Gallagher Animal Performance app. This makes it easy to manage your animals and weighing sessions. The scan is designed to ensure that the weight is equally distributed. It sits comfortably in your hand, making it a pleasure to use even during prolonged periods. The HR0 is designed with one goal in mind, and that is to work more efficiently and quicker. Whether you're identifying animals or using a weigh scales, you will work faster with a better overview. Happy scanning!